Good AM. Today is Thursday, October 5, 2023, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result. Here are the SL Sorcery Visayas 10:30 AM result for Thursday, October 5, 2023. Here are the yesterday's STL Visayas result for 10:30 AM, 3 PM, and 7 PM draw result for October 4, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of October 5, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.